Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can edit your Tinder profile on Tinder app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that you will do is simply go to your Tinder app. Make sure you're logged in with the account that you would like to edit your profile. So once your app is open, then you will simply tap on this profile icon below right corner, tap on it, and here you can see various options given. So you will simply tap on this little pencil icon on your profile, tap on it, and yeah, this particular interface will open with the title of edit profile. So first you can edit your pictures. If you want to remove, tap on this X, then your photo will be removed. If you want to add more, you can simply tap plus. You can add pictures from there, and then if you scroll down here, you can just simply edit however you would like to. If you tap on this about me, you can simply write down the details, and you can edit your interest, you can edit your relationship goals, you can edit your language, and there is basics given. It's all empty in my case. You can also edit this section, like you can add your zodiac sign, your education, your family plans, your COVID vaccine regarding personality type, communication, love style, everything. And if you scroll down below, you will see this lifestyle option where you can, again, all the options are empty, so you can simply, if you have added something then you would like to change, you can simply tap on the particular title, and you can see all the recommendation given below. You can just choose whatever you would like to. As you can see, I just changed my pets. Then you can go to job title, add in your job title, company, school, living in, and show my Instagram photos, my anthem, my top Spotify artist, I am, sexual orientation, control your profile. Everything is given once you tap on that pencil icon on your profile. So this is how you can simply edit your profile on your Tinder app. I really hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.